Dear friends, as you all know that the corona pandemic is going on at this moment in entire world, and India is suffering a lot in these days due to corona pandemic. And this is the responsibility of each one of us to follow the protocols that the government has laid down, like wearing mask, preferably double or triple layered mask whenever you go out, and do not go out if there is no pressing need, and also maintain social distancing, and keep your hands clean every now and then. And you will have to take care of yourself because the time is very bad, and if the corona uh, comes inside your house, then not only you but all of your family will suffer. Having said that, today we will try to discuss the coronavirus pandemic in the light of astrology. In fact, I have done a little bit of research during last few days about the coronavirus and its relation to astrology. And today, in this short video, I like to give you a brief idea and a brief background of this corona virus pandemic from the astrological perspective. So please keep watching this video, and I should tell you at first that the objective of this video is purely to sensitize you about the astrological perspective of coronavirus, and not to spread any type of anthubiswas or rumors or superstition. uh, Having said that, if you remember that the coronavirus pandemic, we have heard about it from something towards the end of 2019. Let us go down the timeline, and let us see how this has happened, how this has spread, and that today, whatever situation we are in, how what is the timeline behind it, and how astrologically we can explain all these things. So in March 2019, Ketu entered the Sagittarius sign, that is in Dhanu Rashi. And in the beginning only, let me tell that any infectious disease, any pandemic, any epidemic, this is mainly caused when Ketu and sometimes Rahu, they uh, they come in conjugation with Jupiter and some other planets in special combinations. So Ketu entered Sagittarius sign, that is the Dhanu Rashi, in March 2019, and in uh, in the month of uh, December, uh, no, in the month of October, Jupiter also entered Dhanu Rashi, where Ketu was already present. So it became a conjugation of Jupiter and Ketu in Dhanu Rashi. So this was the time when the coronavirus was it has started to take its shape, but not it was not expanding into different geographical locations, but perhaps it was confined to China or wherever it was originated. Then in the month of December, precisely in 29th December, uh, there were in Dhanu Rashi, uh, Sun, Ketu, Saturn, Mercury, these four planets entered. So in Dhanu Rashi, there were four planets, that is Ketu, Sun, Mercury, and Saturn. So due to this, the 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 virus, it was an ideal situation for the virus to spread out of the boundary. So that is the time when the virus has moved from one country to another country, and by the time 2020 March April, this virus has spread into 70% of the countries around the world. Again, one very important event, if you remember, is that there was a solar eclipse, that is Surya Grahan, on 26th December 2019. This was not a ordinary solar eclipse, but this was special because on that particular day 6 out of 9 planets were in the same Rashi, that is in Dhanu Rashi, and this is an ideal situation for any any epidemic or any virus or any disease to spread in a explosive proportion. So from December 2019 onwards, the spread actually has taken place. We in India, we came to know in January, February 2020, but the spread has already happened after the solar eclipse, that was in 26th December 2019. Now after that, in the month of May 2020, Jupiter has retrograded in the sign of Capricorn, that is in Makar. In Makar, Jupiter, that is Brihaspati, has entered in Makar in July 2020, in May 2020, and it was Bakri, that is it was retrograded. So a retrograded Jupiter, it has added fuel to the spread of the disease. So if you remember, in 2020 May, we have seen massive peak of this particular virus. Then in the 5th August 2020, Saturn also retrograded in Capricorn, that is not in Capricorn, in Sagittarius, that is in Dhanu. So in one hand, you had Jupiter retrograding in Capricorn, which is the enemy sign for Jupiter, and on the other hand, Saturn has retrograded in Sagittarius, that is Dhanu, which is again an enemy sign for Saturn. So this was the ideal phase for the spread and the most destructive destructive spread of this particular virus. So if you remember, during this July and August, we have seen maximum spread as well as maximum death of human being due to COVID. Now which are the planets that add fuel to the spread of the epidemics? Mainly it is Rahu and Ketu. So all the diseases somehow or the other is the outcome of a bad position of Rahu and Ketu. The difference here is that the diseases which are caused by Rahu, they are curable, but Ketu is a very secretive planet. So the diseases which are caused by Ketu, they are very difficult to detect and they happen suddenly and they spread, and it is very difficult to control them. In fact, it is very difficult to detect them also. So corona is an outcome of the secretive nature of Ketu, and therefore it took a lot of time for the people to understand the disease itself, because Ketu is full of suspense. Ketu is all about suspense. Ketu is all about secretive nature. So coronavirus was an outcome of the conjugation of Jupiter and Ketu played a very important role in in the spread and the enormous spread of the disease across the globe. The good news here is that the at present in 2021, Rahu is sitting in Taurus sign, whereas Ketu is sitting in Scorpio sign. So Rahu in Taurus and Ketu in Scorpio, this particular axis is very favorable for invention, that is Aviskar. So this is the time in 2021 that a cure for this particular disease will be invented, and actually it has already happened. We in India, we have invented 2 vaccines, and the vaccination is going on. So it is happening because now Rahu and Ketu is sitting in Vrishav and Vrishik axis, that is in Taurus and Scorpio axis, which is a very favorable axis as far as invention is concerned. Now, according to my research, the peak of this pandemic will happen up to July this year, and after 3rd of September, the uh, the country will see a decrease in the pandemic, and hopefully by 38th of September, the uh, the the rate of infection and the death rate will significantly decrease. According to my calculation, the spread of the disease will reduce by 50% compared to April by the end of or by the first week of September, and by 75% to 80% by the end of September. However, a total cure or elimination of this particular disease will happen only towards July 2022. So we need to take precautions as far as we can, and let us be positive and follow the protocol and remain safe. Thank you, and keep yourself and your family safe. Follow the protocols. God bless.